How to switch tabs. Tabs are used to control overlapping sections on the user interface. Contents of only one tab is visible at a time. Tabs are listed in tab header, which can be vertical or horizontal. Vertical tabs can be switched in three ways. By clicking on their tag with the left mouse button. By placing your mouse anywhere in the region and scrolling with the wheel of your mouse together with the Ctrl key pressed. By cycling through tabs with Ctrl Tab and Shift Ctrl Tab. To switch horizontal tabs, instead just select them by clicking with your left mouse button on tab headings.